guys, it's Chantel with Wildberry Quilting, and I got not one, but two packages from fatquartershop, and they are big. All right, well, one of them's big. One of them's kind of decent sized, but not ginormous. This one though, oh my goodness. And it's kind of heavy too, a lot heavier than what I anticipated. So I'm excited to see it. I've been needing this because I had one, but there was a mishap and I destroyed it. Uh-oh, right? But fatquartershop to the rescue, right? Oh my gosh. Okay. Wow. It's taped to the inside of the box. And there's a lot of paper. Lots and lots of paper. Oh my, but the taping to the inside of the box, that's the difficult part. Wow. Okay, let me cut it from the other side too, because it's too difficult to get out just like this. Probably shouldn't cut towards myself with the scissors like that. Oh my goodness, this is a project all in itself, just trying to get it open. Okay. Oh, I hope I'm not making lots of ruckus with my microphone getting hit. Oh my gosh. Whoa. Ah. It is. Oh. A struggle. It's a large cutting mat, and I'm still taped to a box. Wow. That was some work. Okay. Wow, this is really thick. This is a lot nicer quality than the one that I had. Previously, you've seen it in videos. It's a Fisker's mat. And I was trying to try my hand at some leather working. And you have to, there's these little pronged things that you use to punch holes in the leather for stitches. Well, I did that on my cutting mat. So now my old cutting mat is just covered in lots of little dots and pricks from using that, which has created a dead zone in my cutting mat where it does not cut right when you go over it. And I, for quilting, it's not always necessary to have a massive 36 by 24 mat. Yeah, 36 by 24. But for garment construction, it is very necessary. So I definitely needed to replace that, because any dead zones in there, not a good thing. This is really nice quality though. It is super thick. It's, oh my gosh. It's probably about 3 times thicker than my old one. I mean, look at that. It's in 3 layers. There's the blue side. There's a middle core that looks kind of clearish, if I had to guess. And then there's the pink side. And each one of those layers is about the thickness of my old mat. So I was really wondering why this was so heavy. I was thinking, did they mistakenly send me more than one mat? If so, I'm going to have to call them. But I'm happy to say I don't have to call them and let them know that there was a mistake. They actually just sent me the one mat, which is what I ordered. And it is just really nice quality, which I am very happy about. It feels good too. It doesn't feel like there are those white kind of almost translucent mats that are much harder and they don't feel nice to cut on, at least not in my opinion. And I was a little bit concerned when buying a mat online that I did not want to accidentally purchase one of those. I felt confident that this looked like the same type of material as what my old mat was made out of. And it is pretty much the same material. It might be a little bit better quality of that material though. So I'm excited. I'm happy to use it and I can't wait to put it to work. All right. Now we have a second box to unbox. Let's see what's inside. Here it is. And it says box 1 of 2 and Fat Quarter Shop. All right. It's not one of their normal pretty boxes that they usually send, but it might be that it was just the one item was too big to fit into one of their cute boxes. I've had that happen before. All right. Woo! Okay. So this, I kind of went back and forth on, but it was so cute and I didn't even realize that it had metallics in it when I got it. But I've seen this line and I didn't really discover it until after it was out of print, sadly. So I couldn't get anything that was larger in this line than this little origami pack. Mini origami pack is what it's called. But it is just so cute. You know, I love those strawberries. I did not even realize that this was a metallics pack though. That is just extra special. I love that little bit of shimmer that you get. So cute. Love it. Okay. Next. Oof. I found this pattern and I found this because I was looking up different patterns that would work well for specific pre-cuts. And this one, it says that you can use where does it say? Oh, that's it. You can use layer cakes on this one, and you can use fat eighths, or of course something larger like fat quarters. But I got it specifically because of being able to use layer cakes on it. But who knows? Maybe I'll use fat eighths instead. I'm not sure yet. I have both that need some cute patterns to use with it. This makes so you get different size options on this one. You can make the crib size, the lap size, the throw size, or a twin size. I really like it when a pattern includes instructions for making it in different sizes. I mean, it's easy enough to just add extra blocks to make it larger, but it's nice when it's there so that the instructions are there so that when you know exactly how big your quilt is going to end up and it's not requiring a whole lot of extra math to decide that. All right. This I have been looking at for a while and I just love it. I keep saying that. I've been looking at things for a while. You know, I must be sitting there looking at things because every single time, that's what I'm saying. So these are just so pretty, and I've been wanting to make a patriotic type looking quilt, like a flag quilt, a flag quilt or something. And I thought these colors would be perfect. So, and not to mention the beautiful designs on each of the fabrics. I just cannot get enough. This is gorgeous. Let me try to hold it so you can see some of these better. This one is one of my favorites from the line. And Art Gallery just knows. Oh, look at that red. Oh my gosh. Again, the same print as that blue one that I said was one of my favorites, but it's in red. Oh, look at this one. I didn't even notice this one. I love it. This is just wonderful. I don't know how well some of these are going to translate into a red, white, and blue quilt, but now that I'm seeing some of them just individually by themselves, but they were reading very red, white, and blue all together. So maybe it wouldn't work specifically for a flag quilt, but maybe it would work just to give that patriotic summer, 4th of July kind of vibe on to a regular quilt pattern. Either way, I am not disappointed. I love this stack of fat quarters, fat quarter bundle. It is so cute. And last thing, more batting. I always need more batting. Now, I don't remember what I got in the last time, but this one is the 100% natural cotton. I kind of switch back and forth between the 100% cotton and the 50% cotton, 50% bamboo. I haven't noticed a huge difference in them, but I also haven't done them side by side. It's just kind of, oh, get done with this one, use this. Get done with that one, use the other one. Whatever happens to be available at the time. I have been debating branching out and trying some others like hobs, but I haven't taken the plunge yet. Maybe at some point I will buy a package of hobs batting. I was looking at their premium Tuscany, I think is what it's called. And I thought that looked interesting. And I found a site that had a really good price on it. So I'm seriously thinking that might be the next batting that I purchase. All right. Thank you so much for joining me, and I look forward to seeing you again next time. Please remember to like and subscribe. I'll see you later. Bye.